the progress is just great. Like if you do this, if you just keep track of your progress, you be your own hype man in writing, you just go back and look at it whenever you like, and it's like you've got your own team in your head. It's pretty cool. And there's something that I've started doing, and that's a monthly review. So I have 3 goals in my life, or I guess 4, which I'm putting 90% of my energy into. Of those 3 or 4 goals, every month I try to do a review to see how much progress I've made towards those goals. So as an example, I have my review from June here, and I just want to read it out to you, and you can kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about. Maybe this would be useful for your own progress tracking. So roughly 5 weeks ago. And I said, it's the end of the month and my progress is excellent. I have blasted through the couch to 5K program. So this was during I was learning to run. I've recovered from an illness. I was ill for about 2 weeks, put me out completely. I recovered, celebrated that. I grew my LinkedIn profile to 450 followers. I was very proud of that, built it from scratch. I honed down on a plan to increase my finances. Really good. And I talked about how many impressions, engagements I had on my posts on LinkedIn. So this is the first thing I do, is I state my successes, the things I achieved in that month. Keeps me focused, keeps me positive, keeps me looking forward to the next month. And then I have my consulting business goals, getting X amount of clients, getting X amount of reviews. And so the point of this is to just set numbers, right, for the next month. Have an idea of where you're going and wake up every day and be thinking, okay, so I'm going for this month, I'm going for this. Because I think a month is enough time to get a decent amount of work done. If you make a goal just for a day, it can be quite stressful. You can't really get much done in a day in all 3 or 4 areas of your life, right? But in a week, or in a month especially, you can get a lot done. And then after that, again, I have some more words of encouragement for myself. You can do anything if you actually try. True, very true. 3 to 5 hours every single day. And then I just remind myself, you're a consultant, you're a content creator, you're a business owner, act like it. Damn, me from June was pretty hardcore, wouldn't you say? So that's what I do. I'm going to do the same one now for the end of July. And yeah, we'll see where I am. I think I smashed all of those, I'll be honest, except for maybe the impressions on LinkedIn. I haven't been posting on LinkedIn. I've been mostly making the English course. But I mean, the progress is just great. Like if you do this, if you just keep track of your progress, you be your own hype man in writing, you just go back and look at it whenever you like, and it's like you've got your own team in your head. It's pretty cool. So that's the wonders of journaling, and I encourage you to make a monthly review if possible. Talk about your successes, talk about your goals for the next month, and try and blast it. All right. See you later. Check out the course in the description. See you tomorrow.